Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business, automation and growth. And today I am excited to show you this amazing integration I have created between WooCommerce and Instagram by using Pabbly Connect, wherein whenever I add any new product to my WooCommerce store, it automatically gets posted to my Instagram handle, helping me promote it instantly among all my followers. And the best part is that I have created this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So if you are ready to learn how I created this amazing automation, then let's jump right onto my screen. Alright, so now we are on my screen, and in this video I am going to create an amazing integration between WooCommerce and Instagram with the help of Pabbly Connect, wherein whenever I'll add any new product to my WooCommerce store, it will automatically get posted as an Instagram post to promote it to my followers. And I'm going to do this amazing integration with the help of an amazing software called Pabbly Connect. For this, I'll just open a new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect. And now you can see I have landed on this landing page of Pabbly, wherein on this top right corner you get two options. First one is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. If you are a new user to Pabbly, then you must click on this sign up for free and create your account. Pabbly gives every new users free 100 tasks every month. And if you are an existing user, then you should just click on sign in. But before clicking on sign in, let me just give you a brief detail about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of more than 22,000 subscribers, wherein experts share their automation tricks and solve technical issues. So if you want to get expert help or learn automation tricks, then you must consider joining Facebook community. So now I'll just click on sign in. And now you can see I have landed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where the Pabbly has 7 powerful apps. But today we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So I'll just click on this access now. And now I have landed on this dashboard of Pabbly, where you can see on this left side, we have this plus button from where I can add folders to my account and stay organized. And this option is for creating workflows. By clicking on this, I can create any workflow, and you can see we have two options. The first one is our new beta version and the second one is our classic version. You can choose any one of them to create your workflow, but for now I'll just click on this select button of classic option. Firstly, I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as automatically post new products to Instagram from WooCommerce. And from here you can select the folder in which you want to store your workflow. So after selecting the folder, I'll just click on this create button. And you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now after creating the workflow, we land on these two basic principles, trigger and action, on which our whole workflow is going to be based on. So let me just explain what are these principles to you. The first one is trigger and the second one is action. Trigger says whenever this happens, action says do this. If I talk about our today's objective, so my today's objective is that whenever I add any new product to my WooCommerce store, I want that it automatically gets shared to my Instagram handle to promote it to my followers. And for this, our trigger application is going to be WooCommerce. So I have selected my trigger, and now our trigger event will be new product created, as I want that whenever a new product is created to my WooCommerce store, then it will get automatically posted on Instagram. And for this second step, my action app will be Instagram for business, and my action event will be publish a photo. So now I'll just set up my first button, and you can see here the webhook URL is provided to us to connect our Pabbly Connect account with our WooCommerce store. So for this, I'll just copy this webhook URL and follow the following steps to connect my account to WooCommerce. You can follow these steps to connect your account to WooCommerce, but for now I'll show you directly how to do this. So first of all, I just go onto my WooCommerce account, and you can see here the option of setting is available to us. Now I'll just click on this, and you can see from all these options I'll click on this advanced option, and after clicking on this, you can see there a second column appears in front of us where I want to add webhook URL. So I'll just click on this webhook, and As soon as I clicked on webhook, I got this option to add webhook, and now I'll just click on this, and after clicking on add webhook, you can see these following fields appeared in front of me. Now I'll just name my webhook as new product added. For status, I will keep it as active, and the topic which I want to select for today is product created. And delivery URL, I will paste the delivery URL which I have copied from Pabbly Connect here. And for secret key, I'll enter a demo secret key as, and for this API version, I'll choose this latest version. And now I'll just click on this save webhook, and you can see our webhook is updated successfully. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account to see if Pabbly Connect has detected this connection or not. And now you can see we have received a response, and Pabbly Connect has successfully captured the response, and it is showing me this webhook ID as 3045. Now I'll just click again on this recapture webhook response, and then I'll go back to my WooCommerce store and create a new product in here to check if my WooCommerce is successfully integrated with Pabbly Connect or not. Let's suppose the new product that I want to add on my WooCommerce store is a round neck t-shirt. Now I'll just add the description of my new product in here. Here I have added the description of my new product: classic round neck t-shirt, comfort meets style. And now I'll set the price for which I want to sell my product as $5.99, and my sale price will be 399 rupees. And now I'll set the product image for my product. So this is the image I want to add to my product, so I'll set it as product image. And now I have set it the product image. So now I'll select the category as clothing, and before publishing it, I would like to see a preview of my product. So I'll just click on this preview, and you can see here is the preview of my product. This is the image, this is the price, this is the name, and this is the description of our product. So I can see my product looks good. Now I'll go back to my WooCommerce account and just click on this publish button, and you can see our product is published successfully. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account to see if the product published has been captured by Pabbly Connect or not. So I'll just go back, and you can see Pabbly Connect has received a response, and it has successfully captured the details of our new product. The name is round neck t-shirt, this is the image name round neck, this is the link of our product, and this is the category of our product. As you can see, Pabbly Connect has successfully captured the new product that I had posted on my WooCommerce store. This means that our trigger is working successfully. Now I'll go for my action step, in which I have chosen my action app as Instagram for business and my action event as publish photo. Now I'll just click on this connect button to connect my Instagram account with Pabbly Connect. So you can see I'll just click on this add new connection and click on this connect with Instagram for business. And as I had already logged in my Facebook account, so Pabbly Connect has detected it, and now I'll just click on this continue to successfully connect my account. And you can see our authorization is successful, and we have successfully connected our Instagram account with Pabbly Connect. And you can see this is the Instagram account that I want to use, and in this field of photo URL and caption, I'll take help of mapping to fill up these fields. Now before starting mapping, let me just help you understand what mapping actually is. Mapping in Pabbly is used to automatically detect dynamic data from the previous step. Like whatever response I have received in this step, in here I can map them in my second step of my workflow. And by mapping the data, Pabbly Connect automatically detects the dynamic things of your data. So I'll just use the mapping, and I'll enter the photo URL in here. You can also use this search option to map your data. So I have mapped the image. Now I'll just map the caption for my post. Here I have entered the static data, but for the dynamic data such as product name and its price, I'll take help of mapping. So I'll just quickly map the following fields. As you can see, I have entered the product name as round neck t-shirt, and price that I want to sell it for is 399. So I have successfully entered all the details required in these fields. Now I'll just click on the save and send test request button, and you can see we have received a response, as this. Now I'll just quickly go to my Instagram account to see if a photo has been published or not. So this is my Instagram account, and now I'll just click on refresh, and you can see here the image of my new product has been published on Instagram account. So from here I can successfully conclude that my automation is working flawlessly. I have successfully integrated my WooCommerce store with my Instagram for Business account. And now whenever I'll create any new product in my WooCommerce store, it will automatically get published as an Instagram photo for my followers. And that's how you can also integrate your WooCommerce and Instagram and automate the process for your business. I'll add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can clone it from there. So thank you for watching, and for more such amazing videos, please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. Thank you. Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.